Hello everyone, welcome back. Before we start today's recipe, I have a quick announcement. I'm excited to share that I'm rebranding my channel from Lazy Curly Kitchen to Wok Away. Don't worry, you'll still be getting the same easy, delicious, and budget-friendly recipes. I just wanted a fresh new name that better reflects my cooking journey. Thank you so much for your continued support, and now let's get cooking. Today, we're making a flavorful chicken liver with Potato and Mang Tomas.
First, heat some oil in a pan and sear the potatoes until they're lightly brown. This gives them a nice texture and extra flavor. Once done, set them aside. In the same pan, add the chicken liver. Season it with salt and pepper, then sear it for about 1 minute. We don't want to overcook the liver at this stage. Once lightly browned, remove it from the pan and set aside with the potatoes. Next, add a little more oil if needed. Saute the onions and garlic until fragrant. The aroma at this point is already amazing and creates the perfect base for our dish. Now add the chicken and cook until it changes color. Once the chicken is partially cooked, return the seared chicken, liver to the pan and cook everything together for about 2 minutes. Pour in the soy sauce and mix well, allowing the chicken and liver to absorb all those rich flavors. Let it simmer for about 2 minutes. After that, add the oyster sauce and give it a good stir. Return the brown potatoes to the pan and mix everything together. Now it's time for the secret ingredient, Mang Tomas. Add the Mang Tomas and stir until all the ingredients are well coated with the rich and savory sauce. To balance the saltiness, add a little sugar and mix again. This simple step helps create a more balanced and delicious flavor. For the final touch, add the red bell peppers. They add color, freshness, and a slight sweetness to the dish. Give everything one last mix. And that's it, our chicken liver with potato and Mang Tomas is ready. The sauce is rich and flavorful. The chicken is tender, the liver is perfectly cooked, and the potatoes have absorbed all that delicious goodness. Thank you for joining me today here on Wok Away. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy and delicious home-cooked meals. Happy cooking, everyone, and I'll see you in the next video.